Today, we're heading out to one of the most beautiful waterfalls in all of Tennessee. Our adventure starts with a peaceful paddle up the river as we make our way towards the massive and breathtaking Burgess Falls. But this trip isn't just about the views. We're also bringing our fishing gear along, and with any luck, we might just hook into a giant one before the day is over. Come join us on our adventure. Ah, can you see me? Can you hear me? Okay, we have just left. I have to look up the name of this place because I've already forgotten. It is called Cane Hollow Recreation Area. And we're headed upriver to go to Burgess Falls. I'm very excited.
Thank you, Mommy.
Okay, I'm gonna get my foot back in my shoe. Okay. It's going to be the perfect day. So it's starting out like 70 degrees right now, but shady. And it's gonna get into the 80s. So when we get back, maybe we can go for a swim. The paddle to the waterfall is about 2 miles upstream, but it's not like fast moving current. So it's not gonna be like intense. Oh, I saw a fish jump. We brought fishing stuff because we always go, oh, we should have brought fishing stuff. And then we didn't. Yeah, we brought fishing poles. So Ava knows what this waterfall looks like, but Elizabeth does not. She's going to be completely surprised.
Whoa, I saw a fish jump.
See? I told you, they're jumping today. Maybe Daddy will catch something. That would be so fun. I don't think we did much paddling last year, so I'm extra excited about this year. This is a trip that I wanted to do so bad. But it is a beautiful paddle so far. I am loving this. That was awesome because that wasn't just like one gar. That was like a bunch. That was really cool. All right, on to the next adventure. I can see another turn up ahead, and we've already seen some excitement, and we've just started. Is that? Oh, that's a turtle. I got that. Awesome. It's not hard to get upstream. The water is very still, at least when we went today. There's so many birds singing right now. The trees are starting to bloom. I love spring. That means it's adventure time. I think I hear it. Do you hear it?
No.
Be quiet.
No.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Guys, I think we can hear it. I think it's still a little ways up. I think it's kind of like a little windy at the very end, and then you come around the corner, apparently you can see it. I'm very excited.
It's actually the most beautiful waterfall I've ever seen before.
Which
Not
one?
The only one, the one that we're going to right now.
Oh. Hey. It does get very, very busy. You have to park, not at Burgess Falls, but at a park that's a little ways. It's a recreation area. And you have to park there, and once it fills up, that's it. And it can get really busy because they have like companies actually leave from there that will take you up, which is great. So if you don't have a canoe, you don't have a kayak, they have companies that you can go on like little trips with people and go up there and enjoy it all together. So there's that option as well.
Or buy a used canoe and do it for free.
Yes, canoe or kayak.
I can go see it. Very excited because I've never seen this in real life, so I think it's going to be way different.
Yeah, you gotta get a reaction going up to it.
Yeah, because it's going to be pretty.
I don't even know what it looks like.
Elizabeth has like no idea. Oh, there's.
Oh, I can see it. Oh, I can see it. I can see it. Oh my gosh.
I can only see white.
Oh, I just saw it. Girls, right around this corner, you're gonna see it.
Oh, tricked you. Look, Elizabeth.
I saw a peak right through the woods.
I know, and it's way taller than I thought,
I
right?
can heard it, yeah.
Mom, where is it?
Oh, we lost it.
The only downside is we're gonna have to walk a little bit up. We're gonna have to get a canoe and bring our canoe up.
Yeah.
Oh, where is it? I don't see it.
Oh, you're gonna see it. Right around the corner.
Don't look. Just a peek of it. You sure you don't need my help, Daddy?
No.
Okay. Oh
my
gosh.
Don't look yet, girls. Close your eyes. Don't look. I'm telling you, it'll be worth it. It'll be worth it. Are you ready? You'll wait a little bit longer. little bit longer.
I feel like
now.
That is the most
look, there's
beautiful-
people on the top.
There's
Why don't we pull up there,
I
Daddy?
need your help though.
Okay.
That is the most beautiful waterfall.
So much bigger than I thought. I don't think you can even hear me. The rushing is so loud. It's absolutely gorgeous. Oh, that's beautiful. So gorgeous. We are here alone. Nobody's here. Water levels at Burgess Falls change throughout the year, so your adventure here can look completely different depending on when you visit. Sometimes you can even paddle all the way up to the base of the waterfall, and other times, like when we were there, you have to climb across the loose rocks to get there, which honestly makes it feel even more like an adventure. Don't lock your eyes just on the beautiful waterfall. The massive cliffs surrounding Burgess Falls are incredible on their own and make this whole area feel wild and untouched. Everywhere you turn looks like something straight out of a movie, and it's hard not to stop every few minutes just to take it all in. Oh! Oh, we got a fish, girls!
I got my bass.
Woo!
Look
Yeah! Look at that!
Bass. The largemouth bass.
Let's get a little closer now. Let's see. Oh,
Good.
he's a fine looking fella. Yeah! Look at that!
Daddy's
Good
a
job.
fisherman for sure.
Yup.
See, all you need is one lure, and you just gotta cast a couple times, and you never know what you might catch.
All right, let's put him.
I lost the first one. This is the second one I caught.
All right,
That
let
was
him
only
back
on
in the water.
maybe 15 casts.
Okay.
Let's get him. Let's let him go. Yeah, we'll let him go. Here you are, buddy. You let him recover. I want to let him recover so he's okay, because this is definitely. Oh, yeah, he's alive. He's going. He's gone. Yeah! Woo!
Oh, you bring it in. Elizabeth's gonna catch it. Elizabeth, he's got. Oh.
Take the hook. You get that camera, please?
Yeah. Elizabeth was so excited when she saw it jumping. Elizabeth, get ready for the net. Get ready. Get ready.
Monster fish. Monster fish. Look it up. Look it up. That is a beast of a bass. Beast of a bass. Oh my gosh. Lift it in. Lift it up. Lift it up.
Woo!
You know how big that bass? Lift up. You know how big that bass is? That is a monster bass. That is a huge.
Woo! She can hardly lift it. Wait, wait, wait.
Huge bass.
Let me get a picture.
Oh my gosh.
Wait. Woo!
Honey, I wish I had a measuring tape. I didn't bring measuring tape.
Honey? You want to name it Honey?
I wish I put a measuring tape. Or I mean, that's worth weighing. That's probably maybe a 5 to 7 pound bass. I'd say probably 5-pound bass.
Wow, I can see inside of it.
Perfect hook job.
Mommy, I can see inside of it.
Perfect hook job. Look at the size of that bass.
All right, Elizabeth. She wants to be in the photo too. Hey, he's gonna slap you in the face. Elizabeth, look up.
Is that a beast of a bass? That's like what, 4 or 5 bass?
Look at that.
Hit this one little spot.
Look at how big that mouth is.
I mean, that is a beast of a bass. And to make it more fun, look what's behind me. I caught this right here. Are you kidding me? I mean, that talk about a fishing spot. Are you kidding me? Wow.
Do you want to pet the fish, Elizabeth? What's its name?
All right, so I gotta get a measurement on this. That is a beast, and I'm 6'2". Look how big that is. I'm 6'2". So that's a big bass. Not heavy, but a big one. Whoa.
All right.
Let's let him go.
You want to pet it? You can help hold its fin. Wait.
I want to name it, Rocky.
Rocky the fish. I like
Ready
it.
to go. There he goes. He's gone.
Yeah.
He's gone.
Bye, Rocky. Rocky the fish.
Well, Michelle gave it a shot. She's fishing now, and I'm just enjoying my sandwich. But these cliff faces, like the waterfall is beautiful, but these cliff faces are amazing. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Absolutely great. I guess I might also give you some tips. You want to get rid of the first hook. It's only going to cause more snags and damage the fish. Get rid of the first treble hook, and I like to cut off the hook at the bottom right there. That way you don't get a lot less snags. That's still going to catch you a lot of fish and cause you a lot less headache. All those extra hooks are really not needed. Well, that was an awesome trip. Didn't expect to catch any fish. It ended up being a fishing trip to a big waterfall. So if you're coming back from Burgess Falls, be aware that, you know, you can deal with some wind coming back. So what we do is we bring kayak paddles, because you can really fight the wind really easily in canoes with kayak paddles. And you can steer it really fast into the wind. And as long as you're going straight, you're fine. But be aware when you come back, you're already tired and you're gonna have to fight some wind.
Whoa! She got two! 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 Whoa! They're so cool!
Look what Michelle caught. Look at this. She caught this without a fishing rod. It's a gar. Longnose gar. Michelle caught these with a net. Pretty cool, huh? We got two of them.
He's ready to go, like.
There he goes. That's one. We gotta let the other one go. Girls, you wanna come touch him?
No.
Yeah, just don't touch his teeth.
Oh, he's more like snake-like.
Yeah, they're kind of rough. You wanna touch him? You wanna see his teeth? Mama can open his teeth.
They saw his teeth.
Where?
They got
Don't
teeth.
go near his face. That's where he's gonna snap sideways and bite. I just meant, like, am I able to hold him?
You wanna hold him? You just hold him right here, and he's gonna squirm. You wanna try? There, Mommy's got the gar and she's letting it go. Go, Mommy. Look at that.
Oh, he's good. I did it. I held him.
What do you think? You proud of yourself?
I actually am really proud of myself because I was really nervous. His teeth are like, you know, a good sized tooth. I was nervous. I'm so proud of myself. I did it. Look at me. Whew.